Hey, what's going on, you all? Thank you for stopping by to watch another episode here at Investing with All I See is W, where we talk about finance, personal health, and self-development. Well, I just got out of the doctor's office to take some x-rays for just my kidney evaluation problem. I recently had kidney stones removed. Actually, they were like some boulder sizes, so I had to get it surgically removed. And today I just wanted to make another video on this Friday just to give you some hot picks that I feel can add so much value to your investment portfolio come the following week and months to come. Now, these tickers I'll be sharing with you are going to be in the disruptive sector, okay? Well, it's coupled with biotech. Now, let's go ahead and let's get started. But before I begin though, all of the information I'm sharing with you should be used as guidance information only, and any time when you make an investment, make sure to do your own research, all right? So let's get started. Now, the first hidden gem ticker I wanted to share with you is quantum computing, and that's QUBT. This ticker has been taking off. I previously invested in this company. I feel like just where this company is right now with its AI-based technology, I feel like it's going to advance just cloud computing, sending data up to the cloud. So from my perspective, I feel like this is a small-time hidden gem disruptive company that can, go up against the big boy companies like IBM and all other companies that are up there. Now, I feel like it can definitely get up to the double-digit share price range, but of course it will come with risk. However, I'm planted in this company because I feel like it can add so much value. So QUBT, I'd recommend looking at that. It has a high technical and momentum at this time, so you can definitely gain on positive proceeds there. Now, the next ticker I wanted to share with you is ZOM. ZOM. This is a veterinarian-based company that's working on a true forma product candidate intended to be used on dogs and animals to evaluate thyroid problems, whether you eat too much or too little. And of course, with the whole COVID-19 pandemic right now, animals are at home with humans, and of course, there's a lot of eating going on. So there will be diseases and problems occurring, so that's why true forma will be a high demand product. And we know that the company is positioned to commercialize true forma come March of 2021. So I feel like where the price is right now, it will start gaining on positive proceeds. I previously was making videos when this ticker was at 7 cents. It hovered up to like 21 cents. Right now it's at the 16 cents. I feel like it can break the 50 cents very soon, where it'll gap up to that territory. So it's just a matter of time. So if and when true forma does get approved, I'm thinking it's going into the whole dollar value. So just make sure you set your exit point, know what your exit strategy is, but I'm going for the long haul up through commercialization. Now, the next ticker I wanted to share with you is Emerald Bioscience, EMBI. Now, this is a hidden gem biotech company that is based out in Long Beach. Very small count employee size. Now, the share price is 3 cents at this time. However, in the prior days during the week, it shot up like close to 20%, and it's taken a downward trend. But I feel like this company is positioned in 2021 to begin clinical trials on its drug product to improve glaucoma, and that's a big disease that we know with ocular problems with our eyes, and that's not going away. And that's why I feel just where this sector is in, leveraging technology science with cannabinoids, I feel like this can definitely be a breakthrough and really help improve clinical unmet needs with patients that are dealing with glaucoma. So that's why EMBI, I feel like, can add value, right? Let's say if it goes up to 50 cents, how many proceeds is that compared to the current share price? Since it's an over-the-counter OTC, then it's at 3 cents. So I feel like the product innovation is there, and the bull run is coming with EMBI, and that's why I do have my my money parked in EMBI as well. Now, the next ticker I wanted to share with you is INO Pharmaceuticals, INO. Now, what we know is that this company, before the COVID-19, it was in the single-digit area, and post-COVID-19, it was going up to the double-digit share price range. It dropped back down to the single-digit share price range, hovered back up into the double-digit share price range. However, if we compare the current share price to where it was pre-COVID, at least it shows maturity in that now it's a double-digit share price ticker where it comfortably sits at the support level. Now, I do feel like we are at the bottom of the support, where I know there's going to be a likely V-shape coming with INO Pharmaceuticals, and this is all going to be based off of empirical data from the wave 1, where we will potentially start hearing significant adverse event reporting where it's happening with patients that were dosed with the wave 1 vaccines from manufacturers, and that can definitely change the game, at least for companies that are still in current clinical trials, because that's when quality will really come into play. And that's why I feel DNA immunotherapy vaccines such as INO Pharmaceuticals INO 4800 will do so well, where patients will want to take that vaccine as opposed to other related vaccines. And I feel like the share price will likely triple in value very soon, come this year up through Q1 of 2021. And according to the CEO, Joseph Kim, we're anticipating emergency use authorization come Q1. Okay, now the next ticker I wanted to pivot over to is VBI Vaccines. Now, we know that VBI Vaccines has commercial products for the Hep B vaccine that's already used in Israel, and we anticipate launch in Europe very soon, as well as subsequent approval in the United States once the Food and Drug Administration approves it. Now, of course, the probability of approval is going to increase because we already know that there's already post-market data for the use of the VBI Hep B vaccine in Israel. So that data can be leveraged to expedite the process for approving in Europe as well as in the United States. And I'm anticipating that we'll hear more details on the VBI 2900 intended for COVID-19. That's why I really value this company based out in Massachusetts. Okay, now overall, these are the tickers I wanted to share with you, and I hope that this video added value and that it gave you an outlook in the biotech sector as well as QUBT in the cloud computing sector that can definitely take off. So I hope this video added value, and if you thought that it was valuable, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe for more related content, and please make sure to leave some comments below, and I'd love to get back to you on that. So thanks again, and let's all have, a wonderful weekend. We'll get back at it in the following week. Once again, thank you for watching another episode here at Investing with All I See is W. And anytime when we invest, we want to make sure we invest with purpose in companies that are adding value to society. And these companies are really raising the bar with just health as well as just with how we use technology. So overall, thank you. Goodbye.